Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless hammer drill from Parkside, the model PABH 20LIC3, without battery, without charger. Tool compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. For powerful drilling in concrete, stone, metal or wood. Impact energy 1 joule. Impact rate from 0 to 5000 ppm, no load rotation speed from 0 to 900 rpm, max drilling diameters 10 mm in concrete and stone, 8 mm in metal, 16 mm in wood. Accessories included inside we're gonna find out together. 3 years warranty, designed in Germany. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case, durable. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. And we have some bits here, 50 mm the length. And the tool. No batteries included or the charger. You can use the 4 Ah battery, it costs 40 euros. Or you can use the 8 Ah battery, it costs 75 euros. Or if you want, you can use the regular batteries. This is professional batteries. The regular batteries are cost about 25 euros the 2 Ah and 35 euros the 4 Ah. You can have the second battery here, and you need a charger. If you don't have a charger from Parkside, 4.5 amps, and it costs 16 euros. And you can have a charger here. Everything fits at this box, at this lovely case that protects your power tool very well. So let's see what we have at the case. The grease for lubrication, Parkside 50 gram. The quick release chuck, maximum 10 mm. Plastic, the housing. You can use this quick release chuck for regular drilling bits like this metal drilling bits or for wood. We have the 5 mm, 6 mm and 8 mm. Or you can use the extension bit with one of these bits. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 bits with this quick release chuck. That's all included at the box. Let's move on at the tool. Soft grip on my hand, I like that. We have the trigger, left and right switch, screwing or drilling without impact mechanism, and hammer drilling with impact mechanism. Tool holder based on the SDS-plus system. You can use one of these concrete or stone drilling bits. Just press, and that was all. Lock it. Pull that, release. So easy to install. Press, lock, release. I like it. And of course here at the front we have the working LED light. So I will use the 4 Ah for now, professional battery. Drilling with hammer, the working LED light. Screwing or drilling. We have only one speed, but you can adjust the speed from the trigger. The same and for the hammer drilling. Nice, I like it. Good construction, it feels very nice to my hand. It feels like a premium product. And of course you can use this chuck. So easy to install. And you can use the 8mm for drilling at the metal. And that was all. You don't need any tools to install the drilling bit. Or you can use extension bit with one of these bits. You can adjust the screwing bit from the trigger. It will be very helpful to use when you want to screw something. So I think it's about time. Let's move on and test this tool, see how well it can perform. Now I will start with this soft brick with concrete filling. First, only drilling mode. And then with hammer drilling. Definitely it is more easy with hammer. I like it, thumbs up. Now let's try at this wood, 14mm diameter the drilling bit, and the length it is 15 cm. Nice, so easy, so fast. Thumbs up. Great job. And now let's start with these two small screws. Nice! Without a problem, so fast. Now let's try, and with this huge bulb, it is 22 cm the length, on a drilling mode. It doesn't have too much power. It is a huge bulb. Okay. Okay, let's remove the screw. Nice! I like it. Now let's test it on this metal, drilling bit for metal, 8mm. Nice! Fast and precise drilling, I like it. And on a concrete. Fast, easy and reliable drilling. If that is for concrete, wood, metal, plastic, wherever you want. Small or large screw, definitely it can handle and it will drill very well. It costs about 45 euros, only the hammer drill. You need to pay more for the batteries, charger, it depends what battery you will choose, performance or non-performance. It is a great tool, I like it, it's performing very well. Until now I don't have any problems, it's drilling very fast. If you need to buy it, for me thumbs up, just buy it, have it at your home and use it at the right time. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.